This is Chicho doing another video here on a Impala here. It's a 63 wagon Bel Air. Went ahead and installed some trim. So this is a passenger side. I'm gonna be posting some videos how to do all this here. Get yourself situated with how to install your door handles, pretty much here, trims, and your key lock here. Anyways, this is another project I'm working on. Last one I was posting videos on, it's been a minute, was my 64 Impala. And that's this beauty right here. You guys probably remember that. Posting some video about the windows and all kinds of shit on this one. It's brand new interior, all kinds of shit brand new in this bitch. Anyways, it's been a minute with this one. Getting it almost done. High-low stuff. Gotta get the best. Got the motor going, some engraving. Anyways, let's get back to this guy over here. So 63 Bel Air. This will be up for sale too. Pretty much it's gonna put some trims on. There's a couple trims that didn't come with it, some small stuff. You guys could either I'm gonna be putting them on, or when this is gonna be up for sale here soon. It's under construction there. Anyways, go back over here. We'll be putting all these trims in here, give you guys an idea how to do all that as well. Got all new, original, re-chromed, everything here. Trims, bumpers, comes with all that. Anyways, we're on the driver's side. You can tell there's no trims or door handles on this side. And try to look for video, like I always say. I've been posting up those videos for that 64, and look up stuff, how to do different things, how to install door handles, how to install the key with the locking mechanism that comes with it here. Pretty much you can find shit. So hopefully this video could help you. I'm not a fucking professional video guy, so either you can learn with what I'm putting, or fucking learn yourself, right? I guess. Anyways, got my light going in there, flashlight, so I can see if I can show you guys how to put that shit in there. Anyways, here's your key shit, all original stuff, so it's not brand new. So you got your little key, you got a little mechanism right here that will allow when you turn your key up and down, will be pushing this guy up and down, right, to lock and unlock. So you got that. You got your little lock thing. Once you get your key insert thing in there, you're gonna be pushing this guy in there, and it goes like this. So the little lip, that lip right here, goes inwards. Once you get it in there, you push it in, and it'll lock your lock mechanism in place. All right, get this shit going here. So let's go ahead and slip in here. You see you got these little grooves in here, so you want to make sure that they slide in the correct place, and make sure you push it hard in there so it snaps. Once you get it nice and tight and snappy in there, you're gonna pretty much be able to be nice and flat. solid on this guy here. Some of them come with gaskets, you want to put them. Some of them you don't want to put them, you don't. Anyways, there's another little latch that comes with it. You see it right here? It's right there. Little latcher. You see right there? That's how it goes. I'll show you how to do that. I'm gonna try to get the best video I can, but hopefully it all comes out. Anyways, there's this clip that comes with it. That's the one that's gonna lock that little mechanism, small little bar. You're gonna slide it and you're gonna clip it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. This is the tricky part that took me a minute on the passenger side, how to fucking figure this shit out. That's why I'm putting these videos. Gives it a little bit easier for you guys to know how to do this shit, how to figure it out. Sometimes, even with these videos, you can't. But anyways, you can bring it to me, Chicho's Customs. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get a video right here. See if we can get video in here, right there. Alright. You can see right here, this guy goes in there. Okay. So we pull this out right here. Remember, it's on the first one. There's a second one here. It's the first one. Pull it out. That's what you got. So push in. Let it slide in there. As it slides in there, you'll be able to turn. So you want this one here. You see it. You want that guy to be facing inwards like this. So you got to mess with it until you get it correct. You see right here? I'm pushing it in. So this guy needs to go in that way. This guy needs to go in that went down. Recommend to put this one first, then put this one. All right. Now, that little red clip that we were talking about. It's this one right here. All you're gonna do is put it in like that, and you see these two little clips on the bottom here. They're gonna snap into that bar. So in, snap. So that keeps it from going anywhere. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's kind of fucking hard to get the camera in a good angle to show you all that shit, but I think we caught it. All right, anyways, it's up in there. Go back in there and see, give you a better picture of it. So there you go. Red clip up there. Bottom mechanism. Once it's in there, just go in and out. So you open your door, close your door. But once you turn the key, lock, open, lock, open. Alright. And then you can twist it and pull your key out. Right? So makes that go up and down. And there's your key in place. You can just pull it out. It should be straight when you finish. Be able to lock it, open it, twist it. Ooh, simple. Well, if you don't have a fucking video, yeah, it's not. Anyways, Hope this video helps. Next thing, be putting these door handle things here. Until then, you guys be careful, be safe out there. Al rato.